I'm nobody without you. I'm nobody without you.
Let's start our first cook. And what I usually do is the minute I press the button, I'll put on a timer for 30 minutes. And I do that because I keep forgetting to come back and push that button. There are a few important things you need to know if you're new to baking in your rice cooker. The rice cooker will stay in this cook state for only about 5 minutes, and then it will go into the warm state. And this is normal because the rice cooker needs to cool down. During the baking process, there's not a lot of liquid, and so the rice cooker must cool down. But don't worry, during this warm state, your cake is still baking. So try not to open the rice cooker until after the second or third cook cycle. And if you try pushing that cook button and it doesn't want to stay on the cook status and keeps going back to warm, that just means it needs a longer period to cool down. So give it another 10 minutes and then try to push that cook button again. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please hit that thumbs up button if you like my videos. And if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not done so. I really hope you come back and watch more videos. So until next time, have a wonderful day.